I got a Peloton bike. Hi guys, it's Jocelyn. I'm back with another video, and today, as you saw from the title, I got a Peloton bike. I'm still a little shook right now. I can't believe I actually have it. It's right next to me. So parts of this video was filmed in different times of the month leading up to me getting the bike. So let's get on with the first part of the video. The first thing that I needed to do was find a place to put my bike at. Initially, I was going to put it in my garage, but I soon realized it was too hot for that. It was just not gonna cut it. I was organizing the garage to put my bike in there, and I filmed that and all that. I ended up moving all the stuff to this room. I didn't want that footage to go to waste, so you guys are gonna see me organizing and putting these pictures up and all that in the garage, but just know that I moved it all in this room. Yes. Okay, for this wall, I ordered some prints off of Etsy. I thought these were gonna be like the size of a paper, but these are just like regular photos, but they're very pretty and aesthetic, so I'm excited. On Etsy, these were $40 and I got about 120 prints, so I'm pretty sure it will fill up this wall. So let's get into it. Okay, so it's gonna take a while to put tape on the back of these photos, so I'm gonna time lapse that, so cue the time lapse. Okay, on with the second part of the video. Okay, on to the second part of the video, which is unboxing the shoes, the weights, and the day that the bike arrives. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Ugh. Okay, it is here. You guys don't know how excited I am. Like, I'm so excited. We got a knife. Let's not hurt ourselves. I'm so excited. First we have, I believe these are the headphones. Okay, I'm probably never gonna use these, but it's nice that they include them. These are the headphones. I don't like these shapes because usually these never fit in my ears. Don't know why. Okay, next we have the weights. These are 3-pound weights. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. Okay. The cycle place that I usually been going to, they have like a bar instead of like weights. So it's gonna be interesting to use. Last but not least, the shoes. And I'm kind of iffy because I got a size 7, which is normally I'm a size 7, but there was no size chart or anything, so I was just like, okay. Very fancy. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. It feels like Christmas. Ooh, okay. I don't know how to work these. These look very different than the ones I'm used to. Ooh, okay. I should probably read the instructions. That would be smart. Let's see if these fit. They're kind of small. Actually, no, I think they're good. The cycling place I go to, they only run by half sizes, so usually I'm a 7.5. So I didn't know whether to size up or to size down or to stay the same. So here they are. I feel like it's pretty good. My toe has room. This is so awkward. But right here is where you clip them in. How did I do it? Little button right here. And you press it to loosen it. And then you just clip it in. And then these clip on the bottom of the shoe so they can clip in the bike. I'm gonna have to actually read the instructions because I don't know how to do this. All I'm gonna do is align the holes with this, and then I'm gonna put this screw in and then the little cover, and then that's it. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the clip-ons. I probably said I'm so excited 10,000 times, but like literally, I'm so excited. Okay, anyways, they just called and said they're gonna come in about 20 to 30 minutes, so. I just got a package from Gymshark, perfect timing, so. I just got a little crop top, very pretty. All right. It's here. It's here. Oh my god. It's right in front of my face. Oh my gosh. They also gave me the power cords and stuff. Don't know where any of this is supposed to go. Are you excited? Are you excited? It's just a bike. She's barking at it. Okay, I probably should have read the instructions first. Anyways, the instructions say to plug the cord into the power jack at the back of the bike, and I was looking at the front of the bike, so. There it goes. The screen is honestly a lot bigger than I thought it's going to be. Okay, right now I'm just setting up like my information, putting my name, username, and whatnot. Okay, so it has a bunch of videos to set up. I've already been cycling, so I kind of already know all of this. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, now that it's all set up, I'm gonna clip in Okay. Okay, so I'm putting my shoes on right now, but I'm gonna put the weights in the bag right here. Okay. The seat needs to be near my hips. Okay. Very short. There it goes. Usually I don't have to press that hard on the other bikes. Let's ride. Okay. Alright, we're going to my phone so you guys can get a closer look. Here are some of the classes. I want like a hip hop one. I feel like there should be a hip hop. Oh yeah, music tuner. Hip hop. Difficulty 8 out of 10. Oh. Maybe we should start off something a little more easier. Okay, let's just start it.
Nice deep breath. Lovely. Let's push down that.
Okay, I am sweating. According to the thing, I burned like 100 and I don't know how much it was. I didn't even check the thing. So according to this 20-minute workout, I burned 140 calories, and on my watch, it's about the same. But the thing is, I started my workout on my watch 5 minutes later. Could have burned more or could have burned less. I don't know, but I think it's pretty accurate. Yeah, honestly really good. I would rate it like 7 out of 10 difficulty. But yeah, it was honestly really fun and I can't wait to work out more. Okay, now on to my final thoughts and review. I just love it. I don't regret it at all. To give you guys a little bit of information about the bike, how much it costs, how long did I have to wait to get it, what comes with it, all of that, I will let you guys know right now. So on the Peloton website, there's different packages that you can choose from. So you can either just get the bike by itself, or you can get a package with the shoes, the weights, the headphones. I decided to go with the package that comes with the shoes and the weights and the headphones because I can't ride the bike without the shoes. I mean, I probably could, but it's just, I wanted the shoes to clip in, so that's why I got it. So that package came out to, with taxes and everything, $2,595.73. Yes, I know, my bank account is hurting. The good thing about Peloton is that it allows you to make payments towards your bike, so you don't have to like throw almost $3,000 in a second. You can pay it off monthly within a year, 2 years. Yeah, that's the good thing about it, and that's what made me want to get it. Just for like background, I would go to a cycling place and I was paying around almost $70 to drive almost 30 minutes across town to this cycle place, and with that $70 membership, I was only allowed to go 4 times a month. Yes, very expensive. And since I love cycling so much and I really don't like running, it was just a really good source of cardio for me, and so I fell in love with it. And since quarantine and all this happened, I couldn't go to the gym. The cycling place was still open, but again, it like wasn't the same. So I thought it was the perfect time to invest in this bike. I truly love it. So on top of the cost of the bike, you do have to pay a $40 membership for Peloton and their classes. So the bike comes with a screen attached to the bike where you can watch classes and have an instructor talk to you and basically lead the spin class with you. They play music, they tell you what workouts to do. Without the Peloton membership, I believe you still can ride the bike by itself, and no means you need the membership. But if you're someone like me who likes the encouragement and who likes the feel of an actual spin class and the music and the stats and all that really pushes you, I think that it's worth the $40. Yeah, for me, it was worth investing $30 more, and I actually get to keep the bike and ride it as many times as I want, whenever I would like it, in the pleasure of my own home. So that's really nice. So on the days I do work out and do spin classes, I just leave my shoes clipped in, and then I'll just hop on the bike, tighten my shoes, and I will select a class. I've really been liking the hip-hop classes. The music is perfect for cycling. It really gets me pumped and going. I really love that there's so many different classes that I can choose from. The classes vary between the type of music, how long you want to ride for, and the instructor that you would like to have. The classes I feel are really customizable, and you can choose an easy class that day, you can choose a harder class, and they don't just have cycling classes, but they literally have every workout that you can possibly imagine. They have core workouts, they have legs, they have upper body, they have literally everything, HIIT workouts, and it's really, really nice. And for me, working out at home kind of was getting boring for me, and I wasn't really challenging myself, and now that I have the classes, it really pushes me and motivates me to work out, and it honestly feels like someone's working out with me. Typically after the spin class, I would do one of the other classes that they have off the bike, so I will show you guys that right now too. So for this day, I decided to do a core workout. This one is only 10 minutes, and the difficulty level I think was around 6 or 7. Even though it was only 10 minutes, it was burning, and I was definitely feeling it in my core. The next few days I was actually really sore. Another great thing about the classes is that they don't just tell you do a plank, do a push-up, do a squat. They show you the correct form, and they actually encourage you, and it's literally having like a coach in front of you tell you the exact form and how to do the workouts properly, and it's also just fun. Like, I don't know how to describe it, it's just fun. Like, I haven't had this much fun working out in a really long time. So if you guys are interested at all in the Peloton bike, I will leave some links down and below, and also other videos of people reviewing the bike itself. And yeah, that's it, all I have for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. I spent a lot of time and effort making this video, so yeah, I hope you guys appreciate that. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.